feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. Today I'm doing a morning clean with me, so I'm showing you what I normally do on a typical morning just to get my house nice and tidy, ready for the day. And I always start off in the bedroom by making the bed and just sorting out any clothes that need to be put away or put in the wash. I just find that doing the bed first thing helps motivate me to carry on and do the rest of the house. So I'm just going to get this bedroom nice and cozy and ready for this evening before we can head downstairs and start in the kitchen.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So this is the state of my kitchen, and I keep saying that I need to get back in the swing of things and do it in the evening, but for some reason it's just not getting done, and it's just become part of my morning routine, and I honestly don't like this routine, so I need to try and make it part of my evening routine again. But I'm just going to whiz around getting rid of any rubbish and sorting out all of the washing up, because I can't even see the sides at the moment. So I need to just wash up, get rid of rubbish, declutter, so I can go in and give it a good wipe down and make sure that it's nice and clean for the day.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive.
So I am absolutely loving the weather at the moment. It definitely feels like spring. I know that it's not the best light to film in because of the harsh shadows and the light pouring in, but it just looks amazing in real life, and it definitely gives me 10 times more motivation to get everything done. The last few months, when it's just been dark and gloomy, have been so difficult to film. One, because I don't have the motivation, and two, because it's really hard to film in the dark. So I'm really excited for my upcoming videos throughout spring and summer, just because they make me feel so good cleaning in the sun. I don't know what it is, but honestly, when it's sunny, it just makes me want to have a nice, clean, fresh house even more. So do make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my spring summer content. And yeah, it's just going to be such an amazing feeling being able to get the house nice and fresh with the sun shining through the windows.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I am on my way.
It always feels so good once the washing up's done, because that is the main thing that needs doing. So whenever that's done, I know that I'm almost finished, and it's just such a good feeling to finally be able to see the sides again. But I do need to go in and give them a good wipe over, because so much stuff has been spilled all over them. So I need to go in with my flash spray and just give them a good wipe over and a good clean before I then go in and put all the washing up away and just declutter the kitchen.
Something else that I'm meant to, spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to, wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
So I do like to dry up and just get everything put away when I want to have the kitchen completely finished, because I don't think it feels finished when the draining board is still full of washing up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that away, but sometimes I do let it air dry at weekends or on days where I don't really mind the kitchen not being completely finished. So I try and leave it to air dry, but most of the time I do just dry it up and get it put away, because it feels so much better having a nice decluttered draining board, because that way I can go in and give the sink a good clean over and the kitchen is completely finished, rather than having to leave it half done and come back to it later. So I'm just going to go ahead and get everything put away so I can go in and give the sink a good clean before moving on to the front room.
Night after night. What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk.
So whenever I finish cleaning the kitchen, it definitely gives me a little bit more motivation to carry on and do the rest of the chores. So I'm just going to go through into the front room and give it a quick tidy up. But as you can see, it's really not too bad on this day. So I'm just going to put everything back where it belongs, sorting out all the cushions and throw blankets and just getting rid of any rubbish and stuff, and just putting it back together ready for the day because it was looking a little bit dishevelled. And I like to start the day with a nice cozy place to sit, and it just looks so much better for the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything back where it belongs and just freshen it up ready for the day.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry. 'Cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's morning clean with me, and I hope you've managed to tick off some of your to-do list as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.